Hi guys, how's it going? I just wanted to come in real quick, say hello, and let you know that I just wrapped up an amazing interview with the amazing Heather Chapplain. She is from the Camera Ready Summit that you have to check out and sign up for. She has gathered amazing entrepreneurs who are sharing their best information to be camera ready, because really we have to show up all the time in our business to get visible and get to grow. So she's sharing a lot of amazing information, a lot of speakers. I'm going to leave some links below for you so you can check it out and join us. It starts, like I said, May 2nd. But she has a great Facebook group already where people are getting to know each other, and she's doing lives and sharing amazing information. So yeah, I just wanted to bring it to your attention. Thank you, Heather, for having me. I'm so looking forward to this, and I wanted to let you know, our audience, to join, because you're going to learn about TikTok, you're going to learn about showing up live, you're going to learn about so many different things that are going to make your business grow. And I want you to think about that. What are you doing to show up in your business daily? How are you showing up? How is that working out for you? How are you growing your audience? How is that affecting your business? So think about that, and join us, because you're not gonna regret it. So have a great day, guys, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.